Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can check us out on allthingsdrain.com. We're out here today in Westerly, Rhode Island. The customer called and said that her water in her standing shower was up to her ankles. Water's been sitting here for a little while, and as you can see, it's definitely not going anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and clean this drain out, get it flowing back to normal, get the customer back in business, taking a shower, and go on with their daily life. Okay, now that we've successfully cleaned all the hair and all the soap scum and everything that builds up in this drain, this customer has a shower again, flowing well, and get back to taking care of what they need to. Thank you for checking out our video. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com.